Welcome to our Toronto Maxing Day.
Want a shot of?
No. Alex, it's for sale. Should we buy it?
By the tower.
Busy?
No.
Just fun. Okay, I gotta think about it. That's. Looks so good. This is so hefty. Bit of lime. Bun me vegetables. So it's got pickled carrot. You can see the cucumber in there. Some coriander. And then the fried buttermilk chicken. And it's on like, the taco feels like a naan bread. The texture is like kind of like a fried.
Wow. Well, we lost a whole chicken.
It's really good. I don't know what the outside is, but it's so good. It's like a roti.
They're crispy. Oh, good.
Yeah. I highly recommend it. It's actually really, really good. Can I grab a pistachio latte, please? Thank you. Thank you. Cute. Thank you. Trying some local coffee. I love the cans and the design. Okay. It's actually so good. The pistachio is really strong.
I want to try it. That's so good.
Yeah, right? Right? Go follow them, guys. Go follow them. Thank you. Okay, ready?
Hey.
Oh, nice.
Luke has the wristbands for us.
You like the bubbly soda? So good, right? Thank you. Thank you.
Happy firing from Skittles, everybody.
Ooh, wait. With Bluey?
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so you guys the best of both.
Yeah, thank you. Cute. What
They're
is
like a
right
home
now?
hardware like company for their tech.
Ali.
Yeah, you right? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. for some tahinis.
It's Canada, South Africa, two nations in uncharted territory. Only one to come to the World Cup for the first time, and now in the tournament's opening round. Determined, Stevie, to ensure Canada's World Cup does was sent off last time in this stadium when Canada threw the highs of Kyle Lowry's team. With David Allen left side for South Africa, who are number 54, who moved up 6 places, stealing their place for the first time in the net.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
Go,
Come on, go, 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 go. Yes! 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 We should do a mix in. Ooh, okay. So we gonna put some mix in and respin. Yep.
Just doing here. This is what makes it.
Yeah. Okay. Why does it look kind of blue? Oh, yeah. Your Aria is blue in the middle. So this looks kind of blue, but it looks good.
But it only makes the top.
Whoa,
We just did a
that looks
respin,
so
and it
good.
looks like really
Okay, get me a
good.
spoon.
Taste
Okay,
test.
taste test. Wow, it looks so good. It's really good.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you taste the Oreo?
Yeah. Now the Oreo is like pulverized. Yeah. But it tastes good. I like it.
Nice.